Hello guys, welcome again on my channel. Today's video is very most important because today I have selected randomly most beautiful AI generated nail designs, because you know well today's world is full of the technology and we are going onwards. You know about how Google and Microsoft are competing with each other regarding the midjourney, the laws, and bring AI generated softwares. So today I have decided that I can create the designs for you that are most beautiful and those are never seen by someone else in this world. So that's why I have took a lot of time on computer and make these different nail designs for you. I hope you guys will like these designs and support me to subscribe this channel. I will also make some other nail designs for you in future from the AI generated content. Stay tuned with me and please watch all of these designs till end. The most important thing is that you have never seen these nail designs before on Pinterest and Google or someone else, because these designs are the imaginary designs which are created by the prompt. Like if I say imagine create the nail designs of the polka dot acrylic nail designs, the girl which has the nail designs like sitting on a rock, flowers. Okay, so these designs are very unique and something like never used by someone else. Okay, if you have resources, then you can make these designs at your home. If you able to draw these nail designs, then it will be great, because no one ever has been used these designs, and you can look gorgeous. You can wear at your birthday or wedding party or any other occasions, because these I didn't think so, because a lot of people think about that you have copies these, but I guarantee and assure that these designs never used by someone else. Thank you so much and stay with us.